How to download and install Cisco Webex on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install Cisco Webex on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. So simply open the Microsoft Store. Alright, so after you open the Microsoft Store, you'll got such interface. So from here at the top of your screen, in the search field, you'll have to search for Cisco Webex, and after you search it, you can easily find the Webex application on here. So simply click on this app. Alright, so from this interface, you can easily click on this install option, and after you click on that option, you can easily download or install the Cisco Webex on your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.